Is criminal investigation considered an art or science? In my opinion, criminal investigation is both science and art. Criminal investigation is science because it uses the method scientifically and relies on evidence in investigating the facts. In example, is the use of forensic science investigators uses DNA profiling, fingerprint analysis, and other testing. According to U.S. National Institute of Justice, modern investigations uses forensic science to investigate the crime. And and 99.9% is the accuracy of DNA testing to identify individual, which means it is the strongest evidence that could be presented in court. It is science because science gives criminal investigation accuracy, reliability, and not based on guessing. But criminal investigation is also an art because criminal investigation does not only uses tools and technical skills but also human judgment. According to studies, 55% of communication is not verbal. Therefore, investigators should be skilled in observing human behavior, such as body language. In investigating the tone of voice, the body language, the emotional response is observed, especially in questioning. Human behavior cannot be measured by science alone. In recreating a scene, creativity and analytical thinking is also needed.